Hello everyone. In this video we try to solve another type of question, and the question is find the smallest square number divisible by each of the numbers 6, 10, 12 and 15. So here four numbers are given. So we have to find the smallest square number which must be divisible by 6 also, 10 also, 12 also and 15 also. The answer can be found in three steps. So in the first step, we have to find the LCM of the given numbers. So here there are four numbers given in the question. So we have to first find the LCM of these four numbers. In the second step, we write LCM as the product of prime factors. So it means that we have to find the prime factors of the LCM that we find in the first step. And then in the third step, we have to multiply the LCM with unpaired factors. So after finding the prime factors, we have to group the prime factors into the pair of equal factors, and then whatever the factor is left with that factor which is unpaired, we have to multiply the LCM to get the final answer. So these are the three steps. So in the first step, we have to find the LCM of the given numbers. In the second step, we have to find the prime factors of the LCM that we have found in the first step. And in the third step, we have to group the prime factors into pairs of equal factors, and then whatever the factors is left unpaired, with that factor we have to multiply with LCM to get the final answer. Now let us proceed step by step. So in the step 1, we have to find the LCM of 6, 10, 12 and 15. Here in the right hand side, I have written four numbers separated by comma. So first let me divide by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6 are 12. So 15 is not divisible by 2, so we write 15. And in the second, we divide by 3. 3 1s are 3, 5 is not divisible by 3, so we write 5. And 2 3s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Now we divide by 5. 5 1s are 5, 2 is not divisible, and again 5 1s are 5. So at last we divide by 2. And we get 1 1 1 in the last step. Now we multiply 2, 3, 5 and 10 to get the LCM. And after multiplying, we get 60 as the LCM of these four numbers. So we have completed the first step, where we have to find the LCM of the given numbers which are in the question. Now in the second step, we have to find the prime factors of this LCM, which is 60. So here in the right hand side, let me find the prime factors of 60. It is an even number, so divisible by 2. So 2 30s are 60, again divisible by 2. 2 15s are 30. 15 is not divisible by 2, so it will be divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, and at last 5 1s are 5. So here all the numbers should be prime numbers. 2, 2, 3 and 5 all are prime numbers. So this must be kept in mind while finding the prime factors. So 60 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So out of these four factors, 2 are same. So we group this and make a pair, and remaining is 3 and 5, which is unpaired. So we have completed the step 2, where we have to find the prime factors of the LCM. Now we proceed to step 3. From the step 2, what we have seen is the factors 3 and 5 are left unpaired. To make 60 as a perfect square, so we need to multiply by the unpaired factors. So here we need to multiply 60 by 3 into 5 because 3 and 5 both are unpaired. So after multiplying 60 with 3 in 5, we get 900. So this is our answer. What we did in the third step is we multiplied the LCM, which is 60, by the unpaired factors 3 and 5. So 60, which is LCM, 3 and 5, which is the unpaired factors, and after multiplying we get 900. So this 900 is the answer, and we write the smallest square number divisible by 6, 10, 12 and 15 is 900. Now let me solve one more question of this type. So this is the question. Here the numbers are different from the previous question. 4, 6, 10 and 18. So as before I have already told you, the answer can be found in 3 steps. So these are the 3 steps. And following these steps, in the first step, we have to find the LCM of the given numbers. So we first find the LCM of 4, 6, 10 and 18. So here I have written 4 numbers separated by comma. So first we divide by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10 and 2 9s are 18. And second, we divide by 3. 3 1s are 3, 5 and 3 3s are 9. And then 2 1s are 2, 1, 5 and 3. And by 5, 1, 1, 1 and 3. And at last with 3, so 3, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So if you multiply these numbers, then we get the LCM of the 4 numbers. After multiplying, we get 180. So this 180 is the LCM of 4 numbers. So we have completed the first step. Now we move on to the next step. Writing 180 as the product of prime factors. So here we have not found out the prime factors of 180. So in the right hand side, let me find the prime factors of 180. So it is an even number, we must divide by 2 at first. So 2 90s are, again we divide by 2, 2 45s are. Now it is not divisible by 2, so we go for 3. Next prime number, so 3 15s are 45 and 3 5s are 15. At last 5 1s are 5. So these are the prime factors of 180. So we write 180 as the product of prime factors. So while writing 180 as the product of prime factors, we see here 2 and 2 will make one group, 3 and 3 will make another group. So only the factor which is left unpaired here is this 5. The factor 5 is left unpaired. So now we move on to the third step. We have to multiply the LCM, this 180, with the unpaired factor, that is 5. To make it a perfect square, we need to multiply 180 by 5. So after multiplying, we get 900. 180 into 5 is 900. So which is same as the previous answer. So at last we like conclusion as, hence the smallest square number divisible by 4, 6, 10 and 18 is 900.